Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to limit data on Hotspot network on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, limiting data on a Hotspot network can help you manage your data usage more effectively, ensuring that you don't exceed any data caps or incur extra charges from your service provider. It also helps in ensuring that all devices connected to the hotspot receive fair access to the available bandwidth. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Now select hotspot and tethering options. Okay, so in this page, click one-time data limit option and turn this toggle on. Okay, after that, you can set data limit here according to your needs. Well, that's the tutorial on how to limit data on Hotspot network on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.